Hello children, it's Miss Eva here, Maestra Eva. How are you today? I'm good. Io sto bene, e voi? Today we are going to talk about food. Alcune saranno paroline che già conoscete, altre saranno new words, parole nuove. So, come on, let's go! What have you got? Che cos'hai? I've got a cake. I've got a cake. This is a chocolate cake. I've got fruit. I've got fruit. I've got apples, oranges, strawberries, blackberries, kiwis, and many others. I've got vegetables. I've got vegetables. I've got carrots. I've got peppers. I've got mushrooms, tomatoes or tomatoes, and many others. I've got cheese. I've got cheese. I've got meat. I've got meat. La carne. Yummy. I've got sweets. I've got sweets. I like it. I've got ice cream. Ice cream. What do you like? Cosa ti piace? I like. Mi piace. I like meat. I like meat. I don't like. Non mi piace. I don't like vegetables. I like. Could you tell me what I like? Potete dirmi cosa mi piace? I like cake. Yes, I like chocolate cake. I don't like. Cosa non mi piace? I don't like. What is it? Cheese. Yes, I don't like cheese. I like. What is it? Yes, I like ice cream. I don't like. What is it? Yes, I don't like fruit. I like. Do you remember this one? Vi ricordate questa? Yes, I like apples. I like apples. I don't like. What is it? I don't like oranges. Oranges. I like. What is it? Yes, I like bananas. Bananas. I don't like. What is it? I don't like pears. I don't like pears. And you? What do you like? Che cosa piace a te? Raccontatemi. I like. I don't like. That's all for today. Goodbye.